Welcome to another Google Ads suspension case study. If your Google Ads account has been suspended, or if your Google Ads are disapproved, and if you need any professional help, you can watch this video and you can hire me and my company for these services. Now, without much advertising myself, I'm going to explain in this video how we were able to help the client to get their Google Ads restored by providing them an account from Google Partner MCC. Now let's get started from start. The client had issues and how we were able to help them. So I'm going to show you first of all the suspension, and then we're going to move first. So I'm going to show you the initial suspension first. You can see over here the account has been violated for Circumventing Systems multiple account abuse policy over here. You can see Circumventing System multiple account abuse policy. Another message over here, this is by to them. Hi sir, thanks for verifying our investigations confirm your account was disabled due to a violation of the Circumventing System policy, which is in place to ensure a safe and transparent ad environment. To proceed, I have escalated your case to a specialist team. They are reviewing, and this was denied as well. Okay, so first of all, the circumventing system itself is a huge error, huge number of issues are being the part of this. I'm going to show you furthermore, like over here, you can see that when a Google Ads account is suspended, the suspension applies to the account owner and any current or future linked account. If you create any additional account, they are going to suspend as well. So the customers cannot create account. Another thing I'm going to explain over here, and then I'm going to discuss regarding this is regarding the circumventing system policy. So what does the Google says regarding circumventing system is engaging in practices that circumvent or interfere with Google advertising system and process or attempt to do so, manipulating ad content in an attempt to bypass our automated system checks is also the part of circumventing system. Circumventing the system shows different content to certain users, including Google, than to other users. Yeah, so cloaking is also the part of circumventing system. Also, repeated policy violations, ad issue, copyright issue, content issue, or wrong claims, your wording issue, lack of privacy policy page, conflict of pages, conflict of privacy policy page, and your home page, poor quality site, trust issues, and a lot more issues are the reasons why your Google Ads account gets suspended. And circumventing system is one of the biggest one, but there are others as well, including but not limited to unpaid balance, egregious violation, misrepresentation, counterfeit, and suspicious payment, and other errors as well. So which is the unacceptable business practice policy, which is another big error for suspension, but there can be other errors as well. And if you have Google Ads disapproved, it can be for circumventing system, compromised site, malware issues, or any other issues as well. And repeated ad disapprovals also lead to suspensions. So this is the case, and this is the internal communication they did with Google, and they were failed, and they were told not to create an account new. So the case study over here is circumventing system policy with multiple account abuse. You may see around over here multiple account abuse policy with circumventing systems. So, but if there is any other circumventing system error as well, this video is going to be helpful for that as well. So now I'm going to show you the website. This is their website. Now this is an approved website. For instance, whenever there is a query like this, what we do is we look around on all the errors on the website. Search console issues, ad copy, account campaign issues, billing issues. Okay, so right now the account had multiple account policy, and if that is the reason, we have to look on why other accounts got suspended, and which is the why we suggested them to get a new Google Ads Partner MCC account from us. So this is what we assigned to them. And before we start running ads, the most important thing is compliance is essential. As I told over here, we have to look for errors on the website, search console, ad copy, billing issues. I'm going to show you a few of the things which my team suggested for the compliance So this is one of the first audit which my team did, and you may see around over here, unable to check, boots are unable to check, so boots have issues, the website is suspended, or the website has been blocked for crawlers, robots, ads boot. We also suggested adding footer section, ad policy pages. We also suggested pages like privacy policy, terms and condition, refund and cancellation, disclaimer, cookie policy, what need to be added in the privacy, what need to be added in the terms of conditions page, what need to be added in the refund and cancellation page, what need to be added in the disclaimer page, and on the cookie policy page. So this was one of the first audit which my team did. After this, there was another audit where we look around for the speed, some internal issues, robots.txt file, sitemap file, SSL, server timeout, other content, media quality, UI, UX, business identity and consistency, policy compliance with the Google. All of these things were sorted around, and there was an ample of communication done with the team. And you may see around over here, a few of the discussion was also done with the Google support as well regarding this. And this is one of my team members, explanation after sorting it out all of these errors is this is their client first account, because the issue was the other accounts have no contact with the client, but rather the client itself is a advertising agency and they were running account for this website, so the Google mistakenly linked that. But if your account gets suspended, we have to look for small details as well for the compliance, which is why we looked the website thoroughly. I discussed major points, but there were a lot of minor points as well, which my team discussed internally with the client through our communication platforms. And after this, we provided them a Google Ads account. I'm going to show you the account in front of you guys to have a clear visible idea, and then few of the information as well. So this is an account. Okay, I'm going to make myself smaller so guys have a clear vision. Sorry, I'm going to refresh so it remains natural in front of you. You may see the account is not suspended, but account has overdue current balance. If I look around on the other, call ads are only being depreciated. You may see around over here, there is no suspension right now over here on the account. This is an account provided us to them. You may see. Now I'm going to show you, first of all, we also help the client with advertiser verification by working with the documentation. All of that was cleared, approved, which is why my team helped them in getting their advertiser verification. After this, I'm also going to show you some of the payment activities as well. So guys have a clear idea. I'm going to show you in the, okay, you can see around over here that this is a billing charge over here, but this is not the single, this is the second. There is another one as well. So you may see around over here, this is the manual payment and this is the automatic payment. So you can see both of the payments are being charged, ads were running. You may see around over here, everything is fine. So yeah, this is a successful case study of Google Ads account. We have provided them and we have to pay the payments to get our ads restarted. So you may see around over here, this is a successful, just a second, case study of the account getting approved and running. So with cost of conversion, everything data is over here. So yeah, if your Google Ads account gets suspended, if your Google Ads account get disapproved, or if your Google business profile gets account suspended, or if you need a professional Google Ads partner company which can help you in managing your Google Ads campaign, then we should be your first preferred choice. We are a Google partner company based in UAE and we are helping clients all over the globe. So as a partner, we look forward to working with you. I hope you like this video. And if you need our service, you can hire me and my company through the link in the description. We are also known as AARSWEBS.com, and we look forward to working with you. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.